Right, so someone asked me to make a video on the paddle shifters. So here's how they mount. They mount right to the factory steering column in the 93 anyways. So bolt right up there. And then this white thing under here is the radio receiver. So it receives a signal from the from this right here. Let me get that in focus. Right there. This is the sending unit. So this sending unit, you have to run a power, switched power, and a ground, and then 3 wires over to the transmission controller. And that's it. It's that simple. There's no wires going up the column. This sends a radio signal to the white thing. That receives it. I guess vice versa. The white thing will send a radio receiver signal to this. Or Bluetooth or whatever it is. I forget. And then these wires right here. Have to, where does that thing go? There it is. These wires right here go over, well, one's power, one's ground. And then there's 3 wires that go over to the controller. And then you have to pin those in to the harness of the controller. You just, real simple pin on the HGM controller. You just pull out the little rubber stopper and plug in the wire in the right spot. They send you very explicit instructions. It's not very hard to do. And run the wires across, wherever you want to run them. Make a little harness. That's what I did. And then run them over to the controller. Right there. And then that'll get the signal off of the paddle shifters and send it over to the controller. And then vice versa. And then I'll show you what the screen looks like. Now here's the screen. Pretty much gives you all the information that's going on with the transmission. Gives you engine speed, trans temperature, PSI. Whether you're an auto or switched. So there it says switched right here. Or it will say auto if you take it out. And then whenever you pull the paddle shifter, here's your gear selection right here. So right now it's first, second, third, fourth. Now if you want to pop it out of there, you just put it neutral. It'll go into auto. And then boom, it's an auto again, back in first gear. I think there's some other ways you can do it. I haven't got myself 100% familiar with this thing yet. I just been playing with it here and there. Only got 175 miles on this thing, and most of it's just shakedown around the block. And that's pretty much it for the paddle controllers, paddle shifters. I like them. They're cool, fun to play with. Gives you something to do when you're going down the road. All right, thanks for watching.